Let's talk about the key capabilities, the high-level overview. So it understands both exact and fuzzy clinical phrasing. So a user doesn't have to know the official medical term in order to retrieve the code. So whether someone types breathing difficulty or shortness of breath, TS can find the correct matching code by combining the keyword logic with the embedding-based semantic understanding. So it can also find the exact match and the similar matches. With that, you can also define how many matches you need in your search results. So it supports multiple vocabularies in a single search. So instead of requiring users to pick ICD versus SNOMED, TS runs across all the available terminologies and let you decide how to group or filter the results. So maybe a clinician wants to see ICD first, while a researcher more care about the OMOP standard concepts only. So both the scenarios are supported. You can filter with as much vocabulary as you want. So it can also filter and constrain by the domain and the code system or the validity or the standard concept, like the TS gives, like the organization control. So you can set rules that you only drug codes should appear when I'm searching in my workflow, or only the active codes should be returned when working with the standardized data sets. So we have a standard filter which will only give you the codes which are standard for OMOP or some other coding systems.